notice a plane, and it's a little difficult for me to find it through this viewfinder until I see where it's at, and then I could zoom in 30 times and then clear image zoom. And I do my best to track it. Very difficult indeed to do this standing up and trying to look. That's what I love about my Sony HX90V. Have a great day while I zoom out.